Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clone a one opportunity to a post-sales pipeline in Copper CRM. Okay, as you might have noticed here, I have these pipelines for sales, and this one's for YouTube. Okay, just for tutorial purposes. Now, let's say under for sales pipeline, I have here a one opportunity. Okay, so I'm going to click on it, and as you can see here under status, I'm going to change it to 1. And then here, as you can see, at the very bottom, we have customer workflow. And it says here, when the opportunity is 1, transition this customer to, click on the drop down. And then I'm going to go and select the other pipeline, okay, which is for YouTube. Now it says here, seamlessly create a new record with the customer's details to continue their journey and deliver additional services. I'm going to hit on save. It says here, pipeline record related, okay. I'm going to go ahead and go to for YouTube pipeline. And here, and as you can see, we now have a copy or clone of that specific opportunity from this pipeline to this pipeline. Okay. And by the way, if you want me to create an automated version of this, just do let me know in the comments below, and I'll certainly do that video for you. And do take note that cloned opportunities will have this copy text in it. Okay. But that's just basically it. That is how you clone a one opportunity to a post-sales pipeline here in Copper CRM. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.